Hello.
Hello.
Momo Rallye team, co-driver.
Autopaint Rallye team, co-driver.
Burundi.
The same country, yeah.
The same country. Yeah, see what?
Here we are in Rallye International of Burundi.
Yes.
Gani mnajivunia kwa hapa?
Tuko nyumbani na kingine tumekuja kucheza, kufurahi na tunajivunia kurepresenter Burundi.
Kwa mara yenu ya ngapi kushuhudia mchuano kama hii?
10 years ago.
Yeah.
10 years ago, yeah. 10 years doing rally. Yeah.
Gani cha tofauti ambacho mmeona mwaka huu kikiwa itokea?
Road, perhaps?
Yeah.
Road was very rough. Very tricky, like last last event, yeah. But it's okay, eh? The car are good now. Little damage, but not so bad. But it's okay. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ukiangalia jinsi ambavyo mmefanya performance, naona kama mtaweza kwa wangapi?
One stage to go. One stage to go, and as we are number one on National Rally Championship now, yeah, and the guy shall behind us. So let's finish this last stage and yeah, and having fun.
Huwezi kusema chochote paka umalize.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aiga yagabanya ibiciro kubipfuza kwamamaza ivyabo. Uri umudandaza cyangwa ukora akazi kariko kose, kazi muri IgaNews ibafashe gushitsa kure ibyipfuzo byanyu. Menyekanisha ibyo mukora biciye mu manjwi kumwe n'amasanamu meza atahandi zo bisanga uretse muri IgaNews. Mbiga wowe ufise icubaza, twandikire cyangwa duhamagare kuri 6718175. Turaboneka no kuri Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ndetse n'izindi mbuga mu kwandika IgaNews. Ntucikwe n'amahirwe. IgaNews gituma ibintu byanyu bimenyekana isi yose.